Hi guys, Susie Nelson with AffiliateMarketingInformant.com with you here today, and welcome to my Energize review by Glynn Kosky. Kim and I have spent a few hours going over this product and its training so that you don't have to. If you want to know if Energize is going to clone his high-ticket commission system, bringing you free buyer traffic with no experience needed, then you've come to the right place. In this Energize review, I'm going to show you exactly what it's all about. We're going to go over what they promise us. We're going to take a real look inside. I'll go over what you need to know before you buy. We'll talk about the OTOs and the pricing, and then my personal opinion of Energize by Glynn Kosky. As your affiliate marketing informant today, I'll be informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. If you guys find value in this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below so you'll know when our next video comes out, and comment. We'd love to chat with you. And if you're trying to make money online as a beginner affiliate marketer, then I have some honest and effective free training in the link in the description below. This training is incredibly detailed and shows you exactly how to build a real evergreen online business, bringing you traffic, leads, and sales. Go ahead, click the link below. It's 100% free and 100% awesome. Let's get started. Here we are on the Energize sales page where they tell us they are the world's first high-ticket elite commission app for 2021. In 60 seconds flat, you can clone their automated high-ticket commission system with free buyer traffic from 400 plus million visitors. They use this to make thousands in daily commissions with no experience needed. On the right, they even tell you that all traffic is 100% included for free. If this sounds interesting to you, then stick with me because I'll be breaking it down. Here we are in the members area on the dashboard of Energize. You can see on the left there is a tutorial section. They do have several training videos in here that go over what they think is important about this app for you. Once you've taken the time to go through the training, you will want to come up to the top on the right and connect with integrations. Integrations is to connect your email autoresponder. They give us several options in here for several different autoresponders. According to aweber.com, an autoresponder, which is sometimes called an auto response, is an email message that is sent to someone who requests information. Autoresponder software allows you to send auto-response emails on your behalf to help you communicate with people who are requesting information from you. Each autoresponder has a different verification system. Aweber has an authorization code. GetResponse has an API key. MailChimp has an API key. SendLane has an API and a hash, and you will need to know what works for your autoresponder. Once you have that connected, your autoresponder is ready to go. You will need to come over to affiliate link. You see it gives us two options for a campaign link and a bonus link. If we look at the campaign affiliate links, they do have several preloaded in here for you. These particular products are considered high ticket affiliate products, and what that means is that they promise a high ticket commission. Usually their rates are higher on their referrals, and they often range from $500 to $1,000. What this does is allows you to earn far more in affiliate commissions from the same amount of traffic with almost no additional effort on your part. To find out information about these affiliate items, you would need to click the Get Affiliate Link button. It will take you to the sales page so that you can read more information about them to decide if it's something you would like to promote. Once you get your affiliate link, you will copy that and put it into your campaign. These affiliate products are from ClickBank and Digistore24. Neither of those programs require an approval waiting period. If you guys are interested in more information about Digistore24, be sure to click the link above for a tutorial that Kim has done to help beginners get started in that platform. If you do not want to use one of these particular affiliate links, you can grab a link for a product you do want to promote, and there is a place for us to insert that. We'll go over that in your campaigns, so stick with me. Next, we'll go to the bonus links. Any bonus that you offer with an affiliate program should match the program that you're offering it with. Here in the bonus links, they do offer us 4 bonuses to grab an affiliate link for to offer with any of these programs. And if you would like to create your own bonus, I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Once you pick one of these bonuses out that you would like to promote, you would click Get Affiliate Link and copy that for use in a minute. Next, we'll go to your campaigns. Before we get started looking at how to create and edit these, let's take a look at one of the done for you sites. If you click the publish button, you can actually view the pages. So we'll start here on the squeeze page, and you can see they're going to do 3 separate pages for us with Energize. Here is the first done for you page. Here we have a headline, we have some bullet points and a picture. We have the link to save his spot and register today. You've got some more options, another bar, a scarcity timer, and then some disclaimers and liabilities at the bottom. Here on the left, we have social sharing options, Facebook, Twitter, printing, or email. If you click the plus sign, it does give you many more options to share. This is the 400 plus billion buyers that they have in mind. It is nothing more than a place for you to share socially the pages that you just made. If you don't have a list on each one of these social media sites of people that have agreed to get information from you and already want to buy what you have to offer, then you will not get any extra traffic from this app. If I did not want to save my spot and click this button and give them my email address now, this page is set up as you move away to shoot straight to your webinar page. And if I try to leave again, it gives me another scarcity page to remind me to stay through the webinar training to receive my free gift that is included. If you click this to play the video, it takes you back to the webinar page that it tried not to let you leave, and it traps you in the loop. Again, another scarcity timer, so you're scared you're going to miss something. Try to leave, and it catches me again. This is the loop that your traffic will be stuck in over and over again until they click the yes button or simply close your browser tab. We saw the squeeze page. When we tried to leave, it took us to the webinar page. And when we tried to leave again, it gave us the download page. On the left, you have options to embed your page by copying the links. You can download a page or you can download all the pages at the same time. So I have a question for you. Do you feel like this would entice you to give your email address to somebody, or do you just feel like you are stuck and frustrated and maybe being bullied into giving your email address to somebody? Is that the way to start building your relationships? If we decided we liked this product, we would choose the edit button. This allows you to edit the done for you campaign on the product that you just decided to promote. You would put in a campaign title, a theme, your affiliate link so that you get commission for the sale. And if you guys need any extra advice on how to promote your affiliate link for more commissions and more money, be sure to click the link above. You would put your gifts offered in this box. This would be your squeeze page headline, your bullet points that we saw. Your image file goes here. This is the exit redirect where it keeps pulling you back to the same page over and over again. If you don't want to use that feature, you would change this to no. Next is your webinar page settings. You would copy the video URL that you want to show on that page and set your timer as well. The last part is your integrations for your autoresponder settings. You would choose the autoresponder that you connected earlier. You would choose the list or the tags that you would like to send it to and click Save Changes. If we go back to your campaigns, if you did not want to use one of the ones they have pre-done for you, you can click Create New, and you would need to enter the same fields that are on the Done For You: title, theme, affiliate link, any gifts, and you would need to go in yourself and make sure that the headline and the bullet points are put in as you like with an image file and a timer, and make sure you choose yes or no for your redirect. Next, you would put in your webinar video, set the timer, your integrations for your autoresponder, and create now. Next, we'll look at our bonus campaigns. Here are the 4 bonuses. They give you an option to choose from. Again, you can edit or publish, and if you would like to create your own, you would make sure to add it to the gifts box when you create your campaign. The next button we have is free traffic. When you click on that, it brings you into this page where they have a video for you to watch first, and then they tell you you have to get to step 4 for the free traffic. They walk you through the steps to register for different products that they have promoted in the past, and here is where you would click for free traffic. My question to you would be, if this gives you free traffic and all of these different plugins and apps that they want you to use together work really well to get you free traffic, then why aren't they selling this instead of Energize? The only way you get traffic is by driving people to this page that you're making. And if you have nobody to drive to this page via a social media list or an email list that you already currently have, there is no additional traffic that will come to this page. The only way you can get traffic is with a current existing list. The last 3 buttons, 2 of them are upgrades. There is also a help function. One more time, let's take a look at a done for you page from Energize. I did pick a different product so that we could see the differences. The social buttons on the left, again, this is your traffic. Do you have lists for all of these buttons so that you can get traffic? Do you even have a full list for one to get you buyer traffic? Back on the squeeze page, we can see bullet bullet points, and a picture, scarcity timer, button to save your spot. If you click that button, it does ask for your email address, and this is where you start to build your list. If we try to leave this page, it takes us straight to the webinar. And if I try to leave again, it brings me the bonus page with a reminder, and that is Energize by Glynn Kosky. Now that we know what Energize does, what makes it unique? Unfortunately, there is nothing unique about Energize. It is simply a page builder, and there are many others out there, all at different price points for different budgets. What do you need to know before you buy? First, let's take a look at relationships and buying. Is sending the link for this landing page, opt-in page, squeeze page, and bonus going to get you sales? If we look at this article from Story Bistro on our brand and the marketing rule of 7, they explain that marketing rule of 7 as an old concept, probably originating before the advent of cable TV. Simply stated, the marketing rule of 7 is a reminder that your prospective buyer needs to hear or see your marketing message at least 7 times before they buy from you. And since the rule was written years ago, today that number is more likely to hover around 77. Now that may be a bit of an exaggeration, but the important thing in the rule of 7 is not the number, but its meaning. Your prospect will need to hear and see your marketing message many, many times before they decide to buy from you. So sending somebody a page and trapping them in a loop to get their email address is not having somebody see your message many, many times before they buy from you. It's not even building a relationship. Now that we know people probably aren't going to buy from us the first time and that we need to start building a relationship, what exactly is the purpose of the squeeze page? I found a great article on instapage.com that tells us exactly that. A squeeze page is designed to squeeze a visitor's email address from them by offering something valuable in return. You encourage visitors to opt into an email or subscriber list to collect more information about the product or service featured on the main squeeze page. A successful squeeze page doesn't just ask for your visitor's email address. Squeeze pages also provide a good reason visitors should provide their personal information in exchange for whatever valuable offer you have available. The offer should be irresistible to justify the need to ask for your visitor's email address in return. Why are squeeze pages important? Squeeze pages are important because they allow you to capture your visitor's email address so you can eventually sell them on something later. When you're able to capture their email address, you have the opportunity to push them further down your sales funnel and build a lasting relationship with them. So this ties right into the marketing rule of 7. Now that we know we need to build relationships, we also know the purpose of our squeeze page. How do we drive traffic to the squeeze page? A little further down in the Instapage article, they do tell us that squeeze pages cannot capture email addresses if nobody comes to the page in the first place. Instead of hoping your potential customers will magically find your squeeze page, it's best to know how to promote them to achieve maximum exposure. Luckily, on affiliatemarketinginformant.com, Kim has already written an article on how to get traffic for affiliate marketing. And this is actually part 2 of a 3-part series. If you guys are interested in that, feel free to head on over to our website and check it out. We do provide a checklist down here at the bottom, and you can download this PDF to refer to again and again if you need to. But there are 12 popular traffic sources to sell more affiliate product. You can choose off-site traffic methods such as search, social, direct, and paid traffic. You can use search engines such as Google and YouTube. You can use social media such as Facebook groups and pages, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. You can use direct, such as Quora, guest posts, and email marketing, or you can actually use paid, such as Facebook ads and Google ads. If you guys notice with this, we are not selling anything. But if we go back to the beginning of the article and we scroll down through the article, you can see links that we have put in. Some of them are to other articles that we've written, and some of them are actually to our affiliate links. The Simple Traffic Blueprint is something that we promote. Let me show you how we do that. I took our affiliate link out of our comments, and when you click on that link, it takes you straight into our squeeze page. You can see the big headline here, a little bit of information. Then you would enter your name and your email address. We have our consent button to cover us with any legalities such as the GDPR or the CAN spam laws. You also have your disclosure, your privacy policy, and your terms and conditions so that you can be as transparent as possible. And then you would click Get Started immediately. Now that I have entered my information, I'll click Get Started, and it takes us from our squeeze page into our free 12-step marketing plan, instant access. So this is the free training that we offer you guys. This is our double opt-in. You will need to enter your email one more time time, agree to privacy policy, and receiving emails from us. Again, just making sure we cover the legalities. Feel free to read any of this information once you get in there. It is very useful. And then you would click create my free account. Now, let's take a look at the pricing in the OTOs. On the front end, Energize will be $17. They are putting it on a dime sale, which will cause the price to go up about 10 cents every hour. They have upgrade number 1, which is unlimited. They have upgrade number 2, which is 100% done for you. They have upgrade number 3, which is unlimited traffic, which they have told us would already be 100% included on the sales page. Upgrade number 4 is the automation. Upgrade number 5 is your ATM edition. And upgrade number 6 is the license rights. Your total price for Energize will be $816. Now let's do a little bit of vendor research. Here we are on Munchai. You can see Glynn Kosky is launching Energize on June the 2nd. They show the front end price is $27 here, even though their funnel shows it at $17. If we look at the products that he has launched, you can see that he has launched product after product over and over and over again. And this is how he makes his money. He launches these products and sells them to you. Here, June 2nd, Energize is launched. He is a very busy man with many, many different products coming out through the end of the year and already into the first quarter of next year. If we take a look on Warrior Plus, you can see they are selling Energize here for $17. They are doing business as Super Warriors, and they've had about 99,000 sales with less than 1,500 people coming to write him a review. He has not even made 3 stars. It is still at a 2.98. If we take a look at some of his past products in the middle here, you can see they are about average, maybe a little below, nothing really stellar or exciting, just product after product of average. Now, let's make sure we answered the questions we asked ourselves at the beginning of this video. Is Energize going to allow us to clone Glynn Kosky's high-ticket commission system? Yes, we are able to clone the system that he uses for some of his high-ticket products. However, that is not how Glynn Kosky makes his money. He does not make his money by using Energize. He makes his money by selling Energize. Are you going to have 100% included free buyer traffic from 400 plus million sources? No. They are giving you the buttons to share what you make, this page, this squeeze page, on social media. But you will need lists of people on social media for anyone to see this or to buy from you. They do not give you a list of people waiting and ready to buy from you when you get this completed. Do you have social media lists ready and waiting to buy from you? And lastly, do we need experience to use Energize? No, you don't need experience with most good page builders. They walk you through the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, super easy so that there is little to no confusion. And most really good page builders out there have a ton of support available to you 24/7. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around this long. We have made it to my personal opinion of Energize by Glynn Kosky. First, I would like to suggest that you pick a product to promote that you know about. In the beginning, it doesn't matter if it's a high ticket or not. First, get yourself used to putting out promotions and promoting products, whether it be a $17 commission or a $500 to $1,000 commission. Just get used to doing the promotions first. You get better after every one. Also, take your time. Find yourself a page builder that can do all of the pages that you will eventually need for your business. A squeeze page or landing page is a great first step. As your business grows, you will want more pages to highlight different things that you have to offer. Once you get to that level, it would be really nice to already have a page builder that you're using that can just seamlessly integrate all of that for you, as opposed to having to buy 5 different apps to make 5 different landing pages. That being said, my personal opinion is that you do not need to buy Energize by Glynn Kosky to make sales, leads, and get yourself traffic. Guys, I hope this Energize review by Glynn Kosky has answered all of your questions. If it hasn't, feel free to comment below. I'd love to answer them for you as soon as I can. Don't forget to give us a like if you found value in this video. Feel free to subscribe so that you'll know when our next video comes out. As you guys can see, I have been as detailed as I possibly can in this Energize review for you. I want to remind you again to click the link below. We know where you are in your affiliate marketing journey. You are tired of buying shiny object after shiny object and purchasing upgrade after upgrade. This training will show you the real way to build an online evergreen business, bringing you traffic, leads, and sales. It's 100% free and 100% awesome. Go ahead, click the link. What have you got to lose? Thanks for watching.